Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6. Use destructuring assignment to pass an object as functions parameter. In some cases, you can destructure the object in function arguments itself. Consider the following code below. Here we have a constant profile update. Here we are passing the parameter profile data inside the function, and in the block of code we can see that a constant means we are destructuring the profile data, and from them that we are extracting name, age, nationality and location as constant. This effectively destructures the object sent into the function. This can also be done in place. Means we don't need to pass the parameter and then destructure all the values. We can directly structure the data inside the place where we are using it to pass the parameter. When profile data is passed to the above function, the values are destructured from the function parameter for use within the function. Let's see the task for this challenge. Use destructuring assignment within the argument to the function half to send only max and min inside the function. So we have a function called half. What we have to do? We have to send only max and min inside the function. So instead of all whole stats, we will use destructuring assignment, and we will use max comma min. So it will extract the value of max and min from the object stats and process according to that. So let's run the test, and okay, again I missed something. Destructured, here we are given stats.max, but when we are using it in destructured form, then this is not required as the value is stored in the form of max and min variable. So let's run the test again, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.